Researchers test vaccines in adults first and then typically move down the age brackets, and that includes Moderna and Pfizer. AstraZeneca is now testing its vaccine in children as young as 6 months, and Johnson & Johnson plans to extend trials of its vaccine to young children too.
1, 2, 3.
Dr. Susanna Nagy counts her twin daughters through their first dose of a Pfizer shot. The 9-year-olds are among fewer than 150 children in the phase 1 trial for kids 12 and younger.
It was exciting, but also a bit nerve-wracking and scary for the first part, but it's really easy.
This is Lois, and she's 7 weeks. And then Charlotte just turned 2 on Tuesday.
Rachel Guthrie, a nurse, chose to get vaccinated during pregnancy, passing on antibodies to her newborn. Her 2-year-old daughter and 3-year-old son are among the first 750 children to get the Moderna vaccine.
I'm doing this because I love them and I want them to be safe. I want them to be able to go back to normal and our kids to go back to normal at school.
So when will that normal arrive, or at the very least, when will a vaccine come for kids? Pfizer hopes to start vaccinating children ages 12 to 15 before the start of next school year. And Johnson & Johnson said back in early March, vaccines for children under 18 could be available by September. But pediatric experts that I spoke with say wide child COVID vaccinations won't happen until next year at the earliest.
There won't be vaccines for all children for this fall. The timeline isn't there to have them tested and available. But hopefully by the beginning of 2022, there will be vaccines.
When you talk about their immune systems are still growing up just like they are. And there's a big difference between a 6-month-old immune system to a 6-year-old's immune system to a 16-year-old's immune system.
Since many of the COVID vaccines have been shown to be safe and effective in adults, the FDA won't require such a large trial for kids. What remains to be seen, though, how willing parents will be to sign their kids up for shots.
Whatever the new normal is going to be, I want us to get there.
The vaccination of children plays a huge role in the quest for herd immunity. Experts have said that about 75 to 80% of Americans will need to be vaccinated in order to achieve it. Children make up about a quarter of the population, and it's unlikely that every adult American will get the COVID vaccine. In San Francisco, I'm Lindsay Thies for Newsy.